Well, I'm about to unbox some things about content creation in general that you may or may not know about. Number one is that you're going to buy a lot of equipment, a lot of tools, equipment that you're going to use to create content. But that's not all we're here for, because you already know that. The second one that you may or may not know is that you're going to keep buying and upgrading those equipment forever, as long as you still want to keep making content and stay relevant. The third one is actually the one we're about to talk about. Well, those equipment, you have to have a backup of it, and sometimes the backup could break down or the main one could break down, and you might have to either replace your backup or your main equipment that you use to constantly create content. Let's unbox this and see some of the things that we have here. So these are not actually new equipment. Probably I'm actually buying something that I've been using before now that maybe needs an upgrade or probably not working as I expect it to work. So what's this one? I think I'll open it from the bottom. Okay. This is a soft cover for one of my lights. Nice. Another tool, another equipment. Ooh, okay. Now you'll be wondering, I have a lot of chargers, but I no longer have the USB type of charger like this. Well, I probably don't have the big USB-A chargers anymore. And if you think, I have lots of chargers here. So 45 watts fast charger, USB-C, 30 watts charger anchor, USB-C. This is Red Magic charger, 80 watts USB-C. And this one is the only single USB-A charger that I have in this house right now. So that means I have to buy another charger that I have plenty where I plug in multiple USB-A, and good enough, this one also have multiple USB-C. So yeah, the one I used to have this like two, I think my mom took one, I think one of my sisters or took the other one, like they love it and it's charging faster than their own chargers. So that's part of things you do in tech that nobody tells you. So let's see, what is this one? Aha, so this is another adapter. I used to have it. I don't know how somebody threw it away. This is micro USB, USB-C to micro USB. I used to have it. I lost it, so I decided to buy it this time 5 times. You pick a USB-C plug and then you put it here and it turns it to micro USB. So that's what this one does. So what is this one? Okay, so this is another interesting one. Yeah, I used to have it, one broke, and you wonder what this is. So sometimes you see me use microphone without seeing it. I use a shotgun microphone, and this is what I use it with. So this is a shotgun microphone clip. So let me show you. Sometimes I use shotgun microphone, you don't see it on top, and then I clip it to the camera here. So the old one I have is broken, so this one is broken, so I decided to buy a second one and a backup to the second one, so you always have backup of backup. Now these things are not like you're buying things new, you're just buying backups. So the final one here, let's see. Oops. Oh yeah, this is soldering iron. Of course. The mouth is covered. So I have soldering iron here. This time I decided to buy 80 watts. My last soldering iron. Let me bring it. My special servant. So this one is 60 watts. Yeah, it still works, but it's no longer as strong as I used to be. So I'm now cutting the beads out so to make it work. So it's not that this one is there, but sometimes you keep buying things 500 degree. Oh, it's already showing out some smoke. So yeah, this one works. And I also have some other beads bits that you can use to solder all kinds of soldering. That's the way it is. This is the part of tech that nobody tells you. So you keep getting things, replacing things, changing your backup, upgrading, backing up your backup with your backup, and it doesn't stop. So welcome to tech content creation, or content creation in general. This is the part that you will always do. You buy things that you really don't need, but you have to have it in case something breaks down, so you can use it in case and all that. So, let me hear from you in the comment section if you're creating content. What are the things that you buy, that you keep, that you make your backup, that nobody talks about? And make sure you follow me here to get more exciting videos like this. Till I see you in the next one. It is peace.